Hey guys, welcome to our next video in the productivity tips and tricks series for Office 365. We're staying with SharePoint Online, and today what I'm going to show you is how to customize your out-of-the-box form for your SharePoint lists. You may notice a customize button at the top when you're looking at a list. Today I'm going to show you what that button does and how you can make your forms look that much better. Let's get started. So, in order to customize your form with SharePoint and Power Apps, you can do it in a very quick process. So we go into our list that you need a form for. When you click the new item here, you can see it loads up with the standard SharePoint form. But we need to actually load up a new icon here and just make it look a bit better. What you'll see at the top is a customize form button. And if we select that, that'll then open up with Microsoft Power Apps and allow us to customize the form. Okay, so now that we're in our form, we need to go and add a logo just above the title section. So what we need to do is go and select the entire form area and drag it down a bit. Oops, excuse me. We can go and select the entire form, and then we can go ahead and drag it down so we got some space. We then need to go into the insert button and we can go ahead and add some media. So let's go into the media. We'll go and choose an image. And what that's going to allow us to do is reassign the image to be a specific size. So let's just make it like that. We select the image. On the right hand side, we can go ahead and browse for an image. So let's go and load one up. And we've got our logo that we want to put up here. Here is our logo. What we need to do now is we can go ahead and click back to SharePoint. We will save and publish this so that when we next use the form on the list, it will have the latest information with our logo, and it won't look like normal SharePoint. Give it a few moments and it'll take us back into the list. And now when we click the new button, you'll see the new form load up. There's our image, there's our title, and there's our city. Within Power Apps, you can do a lot more than just add a logo. So go forward and have fun. Bye.